Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting my move out vlog. Today is Thursday and I'm going to be moving out like over the weekend. I've lived in this apartment for school this whole past year, my junior year, and now going into my senior year. I'm just going to be moving to a different apartment complex in August. I can't move into that apartment until August, like the middle of August, so I'm going to be taking all of my stuff here home only for like a couple weeks. So I know it's kind of annoying, but I live really close by, so it's not a big deal. But I do have to go ahead and start packing up everything because tomorrow I'm gonna have to clean everything, which I'm kind of like confused. I mean, not confused, like I don't have a problem cleaning up after myself, but like in the dorms when we would leave at the end of the year, they would just like clean it for us, like for the new people coming in, obviously. So I kept putting off cleaning my shower here because I was like, oh, when I move out, like they're gonna clean it anyway, but we have to clean it ourselves or else we're gonna get fined. So I have to do all of that tomorrow and have everything just ready to go. Tomorrow John is actually closing on his house too, which is really exciting. So I do want to be like there with him at some point. I'm not going to go for like the actual closing, but I am going to end up going there sometime later in the day. So I do want to have all of this like done and ready because Saturday is when we're actually going to be doing like the moving. My parents are going to come help me, so it's going to be a busy weekend, but I just wanted to go ahead and get a head start. I don't really know where I'm going to start. Like I feel like I have a ton of stuff. I should have been taking stuff home like little by little, but I didn't want to do like a whole moving vlog, so I'm going to keep it all like condensed in a couple days. I kept all the boxes that I moved in with, so I'm going to just use those and pack them up, and hopefully I don't need extra. But if I do, I'll just figure something out or go get more. I'm probably just going to start with like the miscellaneous like decorations and stuff because that's easy to just throw in a box. I'm not sure which days I'm like sleeping here from like now until I move out. So I'm going to just do my clothes last probably so I can figure out what I need to keep and what I can pack away. So all of the boxes I had for move-in are here. So I'm just going to bring these out. These are like post office boxes for when I have like Poshmark orders. I don't know how much I have, but we're just gonna hope it's enough. I also have some storage stuff up there that I moved stuff here with, so I'm gonna grab those. So empty. I mean, it really doesn't. Just having that thing off the wall makes it look empty, I feel like. I also have to take down those mirrors. John got me these flowers yesterday, the day before, and they're so pretty. And I want them to survive the move. I have one box almost filled with decorations. Started another. This is like, I have to lay that out like so awkwardly. You probably saw me struggling to put it in there. And I still have room for this one. I'm gonna put a lot of clothes in my suitcase and like bags and stuff. So I feel like that's easy to like carry things in those. I have a lot of bags I can like put little things in if I have to, in case I run out of boxes. Made a little bit more progress. Having these bigger pieces, I basically have to like figure out which box they can fit in. And then I'm just putting like a bunch of little stuff around it just to like maximize the space I have. I also found this filing cabinet box thing I use, and there's so much extra space, so I'm gonna put some stuff in there. I feel like that's kind of a good thing to do, to figure out like what you have already that you're like using that you can like transport things in, rather than just having a bunch of extra moving boxes. I feel like it's gonna get so repetitive if I just put a bunch of sped up footage of me packing. So I'm just gonna like keep doing my thing, and then I'm gonna update you guys like throughout the night. So I had this basket of electronics in this drawer, and I just put it in this big bin, and I can fit some other stuff around it. I am leaving my camera out though because I have a shoot on Saturday, so I'm gonna make sure that's somewhere like easily accessible. So as you guys saw, I had all of these grocery bags in that drawer. And also some like reusable bags that are a little more sturdy that I can put some stuff in. So I really don't think I'm gonna need any more boxes. I should be able to get the rest in here. My clothes might be an issue, but I'm hoping I have enough room in like my suitcases and bags and stuff. And we may have a few extra trash bags that I can just put my hanging clothes in. So change of plans, I actually took out the electronics from that bin and I put it actually in my hamper because it's like easy to carry here. And I realized I have to put all of my makeup somewhere. I was gonna wait and do this last since I might have to do my makeup tomorrow, but I just put like my essentials in my makeup bag, and I'm just gonna keep that out because I need to make sure that fits somewhere, and also my brushes and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can get that in there because that's a priority. Also, it's starting to get kind of dark in here. It's like 6 now, so sorry if the lighting starts getting bad. So I got my makeup under there and also some more like toiletry stuff. Now I'm gonna try and fit like these books, and I have more like office supplies into the filing box. These boxes are pretty much filled with makeup and also office supplies. I just brought this down because I'm going to start putting the last of my stuff in here and also start my clothes. These boxes are pretty much filled. I still have room for like little things in here. I might put some of like my purses and bags and stuff, like little accessories that might be able to fit around those. I filled this huge hamper bag with more like toiletry stuff. I pretty much got everything out of my bathroom. I also have this little crate with stuff, but I just have my cleaning supplies left in there because I need to do that tomorrow. And I got pretty much everything out of my cabinet. I need to get stuff out of my shower and also these cabinets. I forgot to update the vlog earlier, but I actually just went to the gym and I pretty much got everything done that I could do tonight. That was just the shirt I was wearing earlier. I just threw it there. But pretty much everything is packed away. Okay, this looks like there's so much stuff left. But really, I had so much more that's like already in all these boxes. I thought I was gonna have to wait to get trash bags to put my hanging clothes in. But I found like this dress bag I had that I was able to fit like a ton of hangers, and also these huge like shopping bags. So they actually all fit in there besides my jackets. So I'm just gonna have to throw those in my car or something. But I pretty much have everything ready. Tomorrow I'm just gonna start cleaning everything in depth. I would like to go to the gym again. I don't know if I'm actually going to. So I guess we'll see, because I will, like I said, I'm gonna go to John's eventually. I will update you guys tomorrow. So it is Friday now. I just got up like an hour or two, no, more like an hour ago. It's 11, so I slept until like 10. I wanted to get up at like 9:30 or 10. Probably not gonna go to the gym again, just because I don't want to like run out of time and be rushed, since I am gonna have to like get ready and leave soon. I'm gonna do a ton of cleaning today, and I'm gonna move some things into my car. I don't have a ton of room, but I'm gonna take as much as I can tonight since I will be going home, and then my parents will help me come get the rest tomorrow or Sunday. So yeah, I just have a few last minute things that I have to pack up and start the cleaning process, and then we'll be good to go. I actually think I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna take some of these bags out to my car, just to make sure I have some extra room since I'm gonna have to vacuum and stuff. So my car is probably about half full now. I literally just scared myself to death because I thought I locked my keys in my car. Or no, I thought I locked them in the room. Like, I thought I left them here. I put in like a suitcase, a bin with like my shoes in it and some hanging stuff. And I went to go lock my car and I couldn't find my keys. And I was like, did I not bring them out here? So I literally got so scared I was gonna have to walk all the way down to the front and have them come unlock it, and I didn't have my phone with me. But then I was like, wait, I had to have had my keys because I unlocked my car. So I had to take everything out that I had just put in, and they were at like the very bottom of my car, like they had fallen down there. So that was a hard one. So this is the situation. But all this down here is like my Poshmark stuff. So by the end of the summer, I'm just taking it all to Plato's Closet or donating it, so that won't take up room. The rest I just stuffed like some jackets and backpacks. More clothes. Suitcase full of clothes. I pretty much packed all my clothes because I know it's nothing that can like melt, so I'm gonna save all that for Saturday. All these bags are closed. So yeah, now that I cleared most of this out, this is basically all we're gonna have to pack up on Saturday, Sunday, whenever my parents come, and their car is plenty big enough. I do have to pack up like my kitchen stuff, so I'm gonna tell them to bring some extra bags or boxes because I didn't have room for that. I really hope there's nothing that can melt in what I put in my car. I couldn't remember exactly what I put in that big hamper. I know where my makeup is and stuff, and candles. I might have put like extra deodorants I had, or like stuff from my bathroom, I'm not sure, but let's hope not. So everything is pretty much off my floor. I wanted to do that so I could vacuum. I basically threw everything here. I have my bedding back there, some extra boxes that will move over the weekend. All this stuff is going in that backpack because I need it like for tonight and tomorrow. I do need to bring up my rugs in here and start cleaning the bathroom. Gotta throw this trash away. I don't have a ton of stuff in the living room, but the few decorations I do have, I'm gonna grab those and put them in my room just so they're all in one place. So I'm looking over the paper they gave us that basically just says what needs to be cleaned. It's basically kind of what I thought. I do need to clean like the bathtub tiles and fan. I need to remember those. So it's been a while. I basically just cleaned everything. Bathroom's clean. I just vacuumed and everything. I'm about to go do some cleaning out in like the main area. So I got a full car. Literally can't see behind me, but it's fine. That's why we have side mirrors. Like I said earlier, I'm bringing as much stuff home tonight that could fit in my car, and it's pretty stuffed. So I'm actually about to be at John's new house. It's so exciting. So I'm gonna have to keep all this in my car until I go home tonight. And I'm wondering, I guess I'm just gonna have to do it late tonight, take it all out, because I don't want to have to drive around with it tomorrow. And also we're gonna probably want to pick up more stuff. I probably won't get home too late because I'm gonna want to have like my dad help me or something. So sorry, my blinker's on, that's annoying. So it's Saturday now. I just left the photo shoot for the girl. I'm doing her senior pictures. It's almost 11 now. I'm on my way back to school. My parents are gonna meet me there and we're just gonna get the rest of my stuff to take home. I think we're also gonna meet my sister for lunch. And then later in the day, after I get everything home, I'm gonna go back to John's house. I just got coffee on my way out from the beach and it's actually so good. I've never ordered this, but I wanted to like switch it up. I usually always get a caramel latte, either iced or hot. I wanted to just get like an iced coffee and then just like add caramel and almond milk instead of getting a latte where they like brew the espresso and stuff. So I ordered a caramel iced coffee with almond milk, but I always get decaf, so I asked for decaf and she was like, oh, we can't do like decaf regular coffee, you have to get the Americano. So I was like, okay, as long as it's iced and it's decaf, whatever. And it's so good. So I just got caramel, a venti iced Americano decaf with caramel syrup and almond milk. Why are these people stopping? I'm getting over it. Okay. Just kidding. This van just got in my way. I'm not a morning person. I don't get up early by choice, like ever. But like when I do, when I have something to do and I actually get up to do it, it's like so worth it. And it's like you can get so much done in the day if you just wake up early. And I don't ever. Like if it was up to me, I'd sleep till like noon. I'm rambling. This is whatever. Bye. My room is empty, pretty much. My purse and my toolkit. I know I didn't vlog any of us like packing up. Yeah, we can get it all. I got all my groceries. So everything is kind of thrown in the corner of my room. I'm gonna come unpack it tomorrow and like hang my clothes back up and stuff. I only did a little bit because I'm about to go to John's. Most of the stuff that's like staying in their boxes and all my decorations and everything I just left downstairs. Since I am only gonna be home for like 2 or 3 weeks, there's no point in like unpacking it or even bringing it up here. So it's just staying down there in like a corner and we're just gonna pack it all up soon and take it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this moving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know why I love watching these videos, so hopefully you guys did too. Stay tuned for my move-in vlog, which will be coming in a couple weeks because I'll be moving back to school in my new apartment. I also have a video going up about us shopping for John's house. That probably won't be up before this. Make sure to subscribe for more college-related videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.